Hello and welcome to Kugamon. In this video, I'll be walking you through a subscription management demo for Salesforce sellers. So let's jump right in and explore it further together. Our third distinct workflow is the renewal sale. This is where I'll briefly touch upon how a renewals or customer success team member would create and process renewals. And as you can imagine, we also bring the same ease to folks within renewals within our renewal sale workflow. So I'm just going to close out of some of these tabs. So one more time, we can see that all of these dashboards are updated, which means forecasting is again accurate across the board. So the first thing that we do is pre-create all of those renewal opportunities for the renewal team members. So they can essentially just go in and focus on the batch of renewals that require their attention. And Kugamon also introduces some automations as well. So if I navigate to this contract here, with one of our renewal automations, you will see that Kugamon actually offers an ability to automatically send out a contract renewal notice. In other words, Kugamon will send out a nice and fancy email at the 90-day, 100-day, 120-day mark. In other words, a customer of Kugamon has the ability to decide when they want this type of notice delivered. And this email serves as a notice to Jane Gray, letting her know that we have commenced the renewal process. And she can let us know in return if there's any changes that we need to know. Now, Kugamon also offers different automations. For example, on the renewal opportunity, we offer the ability to automatically create the related renewal order and send that to the client, or even skip that client and auto-release that renewal order. So you can have different levels of automation per account, and Kugamon really allows for that granular detail. Additionally, Kugamon also offers the ability to add a renewal price uplift percent to a renewal opportunity. So at the moment, the University of Arizona has a 7% renewal price uplift, and this can be applied or it can be negotiated within the order, and maybe it can be negotiated to having a longer term renewal to decrease that 7% to say 3%. Now, there are also additional features tied to the renewal process that I didn't touch on, but I just again wanted to give you a taste of what Kugamon can provide. Of course, from this step, this renewal opportunity can become a renewal quote and then a renewal order, and that will all just extend the relevant subscriptions. So what I just did was I focused on the main overview of the renewal sale workflow, where we touched upon some of the automations available within the renewal opportunity. And if it progressed more, it would create that renewal quote and renewal order within Kugamon CPQ. And then if that renewal order was released, it would extend those relevant subscriptions within Kugamon subscription management. And then those would then update the related invoice within Kugamon billing. And if applicable, update the related revenue schedules as well within the add-on revenue management platform. And since you were already familiar with this flow from the new sale and expansion sale, I didn't go into deep details. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to send us your inquiry directly within Kugamon Central or to support@kugamon.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore some more, please visit us at www.kugamon.com. And as always, we thank you for tuning in and we look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.